Women are the symbol of beauty, and for the same reason, we do everything we can to look pretty. Nowadays, most of the girls use acrylic nails. So today, I'm gonna define for you what acrylic nails are. I did research about this topic, and I found really interesting things about it. I will also discuss what kind of damage acrylic nails can cause to our natural nails. The first thing that I would like you to know is what acrylic nails are. This is just an image of the acrylic nail. Acrylic nails are known as artificial nails or fake nails. They are made by mixing a specific powder called polymer with a liquid that is called monomer. There's also different kinds of nails that are called gel nails and airbrush nails. The gel nails are almost the same as acrylic nails. They just have a little bit of little differences. If we want a more natural look and shiny nails, gel nails are perfect for us. They are also a bit more expensive than the acrylic nails. Other thing that differs the gel nails from the acrylic nails is that the gel nails contain a chain of monomers that are called oligomers. There is what makes the nails more flexible. As you can see, well, I had them together, but these nails look more natural than the first ones that I showed, because the first one is just the natural, like the acrylic nails, and these are made by gel nails. So they look more like natural. The airbrush nail is just the process of which water-based paint is sprayed onto the nail. So they give a better cute looking. So basically, it's just the way they do the design, because as we know, a lot of the designs that we get, they do them by hand, and then this one is they use a little machine, they put the paint, and then they brush them. So it's just the design. That's what makes the difference between the acrylic nails. Well, the airbrush, you can get them on acrylic nails and gel nails. So that's just the difference. However, acrylic nails have some disadvantage. By using acrylic nails constantly can damage your nails. The author for acrylic nail design ideas and their applications say that, contrary to what other people are saying, it is not true that acrylic nails can cause damage to your natural nails. They are in fact safe to use, but misuse is the one that causes damage. Okay, so nail fungus is one of the things that we can get if we just misuse the use of acrylic nails. There's a picture of nails that had fungus. Nail fungus occurs with poorly fitted acrylic nails or any other disturbance to the original fit. This separates the acrylic nail to the natural nail, and this gap provides a moist fitted nail. That's when infection can start. Another problem that acrylic nails can cause is dermatitis. Dermatitis is inflammation of the skin and redness. There's different types of dermatitis. Some examples are allergic contact dermatitis, that is a delayed hypersensitivity reaction involving allergens and antibodies. Irritating contact dermatitis is exposure to irritating chemicals. Today, I have talked about what acrylic nails are and the damage that this can cause. As you can see, it's not easy to have beautiful nails, so we have to be more careful where we get our nails done. Thank
Talise, what did you think?
I thought she went through her attention grabber kind of quick, but I didn't really catch it. I think maybe she needed to like slow down and speak a little clearer. And some of the words she used, she didn't really define, so it was like they were kind of just there. But I thought she had a lot of good information and interesting images.
All right, well, the attention device was okay. The topics clearly identified. The thesis sounds like you're going to define what it's all about, but then it really turns out that that's really just the first part of your speech, and that there are some other secondary points that you're going to be talking about. So I'm not sure what the unifying theme is on the speech. I just know what the general subject is. On the first part, you've got a definition of the terms and sort of an explanation of what the different kinds of nails are. It was a little bit unclear to me, probably because you're rushing a little bit. I assume that you were saying gel nails, but maybe they were jail nails, and I'm wondering, are those, the kind that women in prison use? I'm not quite sure what's going on there. I didn't hear supporting material being cited, so I didn't hear any reference to research, although I'm sure you got this information from someplace. The explanations about some of the complications need to be developed a little bit more. I'm completely confused on the one visual that you have for the dermatitis, because I'm trying to figure out how it is that using the acrylic nails on your fingers gets you dermatitis on your stomach, and it was just... there was something that happened there that there was a disconnect on, and so we skipped a groove, or there was an explanation that got rushed over, and I thought that that was a little bit of a problem. I'm not sure that I wanted a bigger picture of the fungus nail, That would have been maybe one thing that might have made those images work a little bit better. On the other hand, maybe we were spared something that was potentially unpleasant to look at. Your presentation, it's a little bit nervous. You read some of the quotes very deliberately. See, I could tell that you had research there, because you did have, I think, one quote that you were making a reference to. I assume that there was a source on it, but it seemed like it was so deliberate when you were reading it that it was unfamiliar to you, and it should be very natural to you at this point in the presentation. All right, thank you.